Today we'll talk about how can you enable friend notifications on your Wake We're going to figure out this solution on how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go above your photo, click on it here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to your profile here. Then you go above this sign, click on it. So when you click in this sign here, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then you click here on settings. So then you come to next step here and you click here on notifications and you come to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just click on here friends, click on it, and then it's going to take you to this list. Then you come here to friend notifications, click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us, that's mean friend notifications enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.